Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Jupitrr AI Beginner's Guide. This is a step-by-step guide and we've made the steps easy for you to follow. Or are you looking to transform your raw videos into captivating visual experiences without the headache of traditional editing? Then you've come to the right place. Forget about spending hours searching for the perfect B-roll or manually editing subtitles. Jupitrr AI is designed to intelligently analyze your video and automatically weave in relevant visuals, generate engaging text, and more. And all of this with remarkable ease. So whether you're a seasoned speaker looking to add a visual flair, or if you're a complete beginner eager to make your video stand out, this step-by-step tutorial will equip you with the fundamental knowledge to harness the power of Jupitrr AI and create stunning videos from your raw video. Also, if you haven't signed up to Jupitrr just yet, you can use my code JohnCarloCares10 for 10% off right down in the description. As you can see with Jupitrr AI, you can easily add subtitles that support up to 50 languages. You could also add your brand at the corner of your videos, add emojis that fit your tone, and set the mood with AI background music. And Jupitrr will be doing most of the weight lifting. Now, in order to harness the best of what Jupitrr AI provides, you'll need to be conversant with the pricing. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Jupitrr has about 4 different plans to look at. Whatever plan you may choose, you also need to decide if you're paying on a monthly basis or on an annual basis. Now, while we toggle on or off, you can see that the plans are changing in price. And this is because when you're on the annual pricing, you get to save about 40% of your money by going with the annual pricing. The starter comes at $10.08 per month when billed annually, and you'll be able to use 10 minutes of AI video per month with a maximum of 1 minute per video. You can also count on the 1080p HD export, social media quality export, and removal of watermark. But if you're looking for more, you'll need to make it $13.20 because you'll be having 360 minutes of AI video, and this is a whopping upgrade compared to the starter plan. With this, you can make 4 minutes per video. And then if you're looking for more, of course, you can have 500 minutes of AI video if you're paying for the Pro plan at $25.2. Now, you also have the business custom, and if any of these options do not meet your needs, you'll need to book a call to get a quote on a specific detail for a plan which Jupitrr can provide for you. And now that we know what the pricing plans can do for us, we're going to quickly go over to the top right corner where you can see sign up, click on it, and then we're going to find ourselves on this page. Now on this page, you have the option to choose whether you're using your Google to sign up or you're using your email to sign up. We'd like to speed up the process by choosing continue with Google. Click on it, and this will provide a pop-up where you'll need to choose the Google account you'd like to use. Go ahead and select it. Then you'll need to confirm your email once again and click on continue. Now on this page, Jupitrr AI will be needing your help in order to customize everything around you by answering these 3 questions. First is what best describes you. Now when you click on the drop down, you have about 5 options from consultant to small business, mid-sized business, content creator, or hobbyist. We will be choosing small business, and then you'll need to respond to the question where you want to post your content. When you click on the drop down, you can see the options which are basically the popular platforms today. We're going to choose YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And then you have the third and last question. How did you hear about Jupitrr AI? When you click on the drop down, you guessed it, we'll be choosing social media. Of course, there are other options, but we imagine you're watching this on YouTube, so we will be clicking social media and click on submit. Now, one of the first things Jupitrr AI would like you to do is to get a head start and start making your video. So the first thing you can see here is to upload a video. If you have a talking head video that you'd like to upload the raw version, you can go ahead and upload it right here and start the process of creating something from Jupitrr. So we will be making use of a video. We're going to click on upload a video, and after selecting the video, you're going to give it a name. So we're going to give it a name, job market, and here you have language. Remember, you have subtitles in 58 languages, and these are the languages as you can see right here. Now we will not be choosing the language because Jupitrr AI can automatically detect the language. So here you have the video name and the language, so you get to click and continue. Now, there are 3 main stages in order for Jupitrr AI to process your video. You don't need to do anything, but you need to understand what it does. The first stage is to upload your file, as you can see, and then the next thing is Jupitrr will be generating subtitles. After subtitles are created, Jupitrr will be adding visuals such as B-roll or emojis to your video to give it a nice pop. So we're going to give it a few moments in order for this to happen. Great. So this took a few moments and finally we have our result right here. Would you like to see it? Before we do that, we'd like to show you how the original was, and then you can now have a taste of what it looks like after Jupitrr has added some flair.
Unequal pay, fewer advancement opportunities, and persistent gender bias still create significant hurdles for women navigating today's job market. Balancing work and family responsibilities also remains a key challenge.
Now that you've watched the raw version, let's play and see what Jupitrr AI was able to do with it.
Unequal pay, fewer advancement opportunities, and persistent gender bias still create significant hurdles for women navigating today's job market. Balancing work and family responsibilities also remains a key challenge.
Awesome, right? So you can see the difference between the raw video which we played and what Jupitrr AI has been able to do with it. And this is what Jupitrr AI is all about. So as a beginner, you'll be happy to know that you don't need to go through the traditional process of making your videos stand out. You can simply come over to Jupitrr, upload the video, give it a name, and then allow it to do its work. Now, you might be wondering what the left side panel is. Now, there are 3 main tabs here, and we're currently on the first one. The first one is presets. This points to where your subtitles will be placed and how the emojis will be standing in. This is currently under aesthetic, but if you look at bold, so we select bold and we play it.
Unequal pay, fewer advancement opportunities.
You can see what bold does. And one of the standout features is it highlights the subtitles in blue and it moves along with it. This helps you to visually follow the text while you're listening to it. So you will need to choose which one you want to use. And if we go over to power, for example, wait for a few moments for it to load, and we're going to play it again.
Unequal pay, fewer advancement opportunities, and persistent.
So in this case, the words are changing just as the voice is pronouncing each word. And this is great. So you just have to choose which resonates with you. Now we're going to go over to video, and right here you can see some customization options. All these are toggled on, and this is what makes the video stand out. For example, you have right here why women still face job market bias. Now that's a hook, and if you don't want the hook, you can simply turn it off. And that's how it goes away. Of course, if you want to remove the emojis, for example, if we move the seek bar, we might be able to see some emojis depending on the style in the presets we chose, and you can turn off the emojis as you wish. Now, you might also have heard the background music, and this is where the AI background music volume bar can be set. You can increase it or drastically reduce it in case it's overwhelming the video. Then you have the custom watermark and outro. You do know that the custom watermark can only be removed when you're on a certain plan, starting with the starter. Now, when you follow one of the plans, you can see that you'll be able to remove this and actually add your own. Then when we go over to the top and the third tab, this is subtitles. You can actually edit your subtitles right here in case you feel that there is a little nudge you need to add to it. Now, when you've done everything rightly, you can go over to the top right corner and click on export, and you have the option for the resolution to choose 1080p or 720p. The quality also can be set for studio, social media, or web. After that, you can click on export and your video will be exported into your local drive. If you have any issues, you can use the help feature right here by clicking on it, and you can chat with Jupitrr AI, asking it any questions or any queries you might have. When we go over to the library by clicking on the button at the top left corner, back to library, you can see right here that we have our library, affiliate, frequently asked questions, settings, and at the bottom left corner here, you can see the status of your plan. Right here, you could also click on the upgrade button to upgrade to another plan, or at the top right corner. But of course, if you'd like to create another video, all you need to do is to come over here to create new, click on it, and we're back at our first page where we needed to upload our video. At this point, we hope you're able to use Jupitrr AI, and we hope that this step-by-step guide will help you to start your own video making from the raw to the transformed version, courtesy of Jupitrr AI. If you haven't signed up for Jupitrr AI just yet, you can use my code JohnCarloCaras10 for 10% off in the description down below to get started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.